zipper slider and one zipper, 2 pieces of fabric, 2 lining pieces, on one of the fabric pieces, round 2 opposite corners. Use a small radius to round the corners. Repeat the same process with the second fabric piece. Round 2 opposite corners, again using a small radius. Cut along the marked lines. Align the zipper with the side that does not have rounded corners and sew it in place. Separate the 2 sides of the zipper. Align the zipper with the second fabric piece, along the side without rounded corners, and sew it in place. Place the lining over the fabric, aligning it with the edge where the zipper was sewn. Place them right sides together and sew. Turn the lining over and top stitch along the previous seam. On the second fabric piece, place the second lining piece right sides together and sew. Turn the lining over and top stitch along the previous seam. Align the 2 fabric pieces. Insert the zipper slider once to close the zipper, then insert it again so that the slider is positioned in the center. Align the 2 fabric pieces. Sew very close to the edge of the fabric, joining all the layers together. Trim away the excess lining. Sew a reinforced seam across the zipper. Trim away the excess zipper. Turn the piece right side out. Seal all the ends. Close the zipper. Sew close to the edge. Seal all loose threads and turn the piece right side out.